Yes, yes, yes. We are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben, and welcome to my live stream. Today, we're actually going to talk about could Bitcoin hit 60K this year. We're also going to look at the charts, and we're also going to answer some questions. If you don't know who I am, my name is Big Ben. I am a professional day trader, swing trader. I day trade the financial markets Monday to Friday. Also, swing trade crypto. I also teach people how to only look at the charts. Forget about the news. Forget about your favorite YouTuber. The charts, the answer is right in front of your faces, guys. All right. So let's get the party started. If you want to learn more about that, hit the subscribe button. If you are watching that replay, you can actually turn a 30-minute video into a 15-minute video by hitting the speed button, hitting 1.5 or 2 to speed up the video. Okay. Or you can turn an hour video to a half an hour. So let's get the party started. Of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only. So let's get the party started. Let me see if I see anybody in the building. Let's pop this out real quick. And then we're going to look at the chart. Let me give you guys a round of applause for coming through real quick. Let's get this out of the way. A round of applause. Thanks a lot, guys. Tuning in. I see a couple of guys here so far. I see Dom. What's going on, guys? Good to see you guys here. Hopefully we're going to make this a quick live stream, but we'll see. So let's go to CoinMarketCap, guys, and let's look at the market cap. The market cap is going up to 89. It looks like it's trying to hit that $300 billion mark. 56.9. The Bitcoin dominance. Green. Okay. And Bitcoin looks like it's trying to make another move. Okay. So let's go to that 4-hour. Let's look at the Bitcoin chart. We talked about this yesterday. I told you guys I'm only looking for a continuation. All right. I told you that it's a possibility they might want to try to pull it back, but they don't have to. And I said that it doesn't make any sense for them not to hit 10K. They went this far. So for all you guys that's trying to short this market, good luck. There's more money to the upside. I'm not saying that you can't short this market and make money, but it's best to look for confirmation first before you even try to short anything. But right now, the buyers are buying this up. They are eating shorters alive. And, there's a lot of money to be made right now into the upside, guys. Okay? Learn how to read the charts. Stop trying to time tops and bottoms. That's a hard game. You can lose a lot of money like that. And it's just what it is. It's best to go with the major momentum. Okay? Most of you guys can't understand what I do full time. And I don't really expect you guys to understand what I do full time. But hopefully some of you guys are starting to understand what I do, starting to understand why I say the things I say. All right. So right now we are seeing upside, and we are looking maybe to probably make a new high. Let's see what's going on with Litecoin. Litecoin is actually doing the opposite. Is actually pulling back a little bit. Ethereum, let's go on with that. Ethereum is actually popping up. Okay, so it's doing the same as Bitcoin. Bitcoin looks like it wants to pop. What's going on with Tron? Tron looks a little sluggish, but it has definitely room to make another high. Bitcoin Cash. Nothing on this chart right now. BSV. Let me see what's going on here. Looks like it's trying to make another high. I wouldn't be surprised. We hit that 250, 260 area. XRP. What's going on with this coin? XRP looks like it's trying to break out of this resistance. make new highs, which is a plus. All right, so that's that's what we're looking at right now, guys. We are looking for more upside. These guys are squeezing out the shorters. Are we going to hit 10K this week, next week? We'll see. I don't know how they want to do it. They can go up one more time, pull back, and then hit 10K. So we'll see. We'll see if they just want to go straight with this. They can just go straight with this, right? It could be something like, a straight move up all the way to 11,000. I tell you this, I wouldn't be. I don't know if I want to short at 10,000. But if they make it to 10,000, most likely they're gonna make it to 11. So let's go to these guys. Guys, if you guys have any questions here, if you have any questions, type it in. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Welcome. Over here, I give you guys a professional view of the markets. I've been doing this going on for 12 years. And this is what I do full time. So I just try to make sure you guys are level headed. Most of you guys come from a background where you don't know anything about the markets at all. You don't know how to read the charts. So most of you guys believe, I would say, a lot or pretty much most of the stuff that you see either online or from your favorite YouTuber or from the news, okay? Which, I'm not here to, say that's bad or put like this. I understand some of the things you guys are going through, okay? Because when I was new, I used to believe everything too. So I just try to give you guys that, professional view. Make sure you guys control your emotions. Make sure you don't go overboard. Try to bring you to reality, bring you back to reality, actually. And make sure you guys are making at least decent decisions, all right? Some of you guys, I'm quite sure, early 2018, maybe late 2017, you probably went all in at the top. So I'm the guy that's going to say, hey, man, stop the nonsense. Let's look at this market and let's be professionals about this, all right? So right now, we are definitely looking for more upside. And if you don't know how to take advantage of these swings in the market, then that's something that you should look into, because basically that's how I'm able to do this full time, and a lot of other traders and technical analysis guys are able to take advantage of these swings in the market. So let's see if I see any questions. Type in your questions, and I will get to you guys' questions. And let's go to the chat room right now. What's going on, Who Flung? Super Ray, what's going on, guys? BJ, all right. Dom, S&P to the moon. Yeah, man. I know you're making money on the S&P trade. That's what's up. Robbie, what's going on, man? Good to see you here. Queen Racist, what's going on? Is 62 entertainment prediction? We would definitely talk about that. What's going on, Philip? You said been doing my homework, learning to. All right, what's going on? That's what's up, man. It's very good to learn how to do technical analysis and learn how to read the charts. Okay, it's funny because a lot of people in general laughed at technical analysis, laughed at the charts, but ever since the bear market, since last year, when the market kept tanking and we kept getting good news, a lot of people had to turn to the charts because they realized, man, this news stuff is not really as accurate that that they thought it was. So they had to look and go to the charts and to see if there was something with the chart, reading the chart. Now they realize that the charts have patterns and patterns that actually repeat themselves. And so a lot of these guys are actually taking this, more They actually are studying technical analysis much more. So let's see if I see any questions. I don't see questions so far. See that haters from 2018. Ben isn't crypto bear. He's a realist. Yeah, man. Okay. A lot of people thought for a long time. A lot of people thought I was a crypto bear. But a lot of people didn't understand, or probably, I don't blame them. I definitely don't blame people. They can't really understand what I do, so automatically they think that I'm a bear when I say things like like last year when I was telling people stop buying the dips, um, especially around like 7,000, 6,000. Um, most people call me crazy, call me, they said, are a bear, and why do you want the market to go down, blah blah blah. And I was trying to explain to them, guys, I'm not trying. I don't want the market to go down. I wish this thing could shoot up. But at the same time, I'm looking at the chart, and the chart is telling me, hey man, we looks like we have more downside. It's just what it is. I'm not uh, you know, wishing or hoping that the chart. I'm not hoping that the chart. I don't want the chart to actually go down. I'm just looking at the technical analysis and looking at the charts and looking at the patterns, and it's showing me, hey man, it looks like we have more downside. Okay, and also I'll explain to you guys. I go with the flow. Okay, I go with the momentum. Okay. Now, last year the momentum was what, to the downside. Okay. Now this year it's to the upside. Most people can't understand how I'm able to flip and one day go short, the next day go long. They don't understand that, which is okay. I don't expect none of you guys to understand the same way I don't expect you to understand your doctor or your lawyer, okay? Because you're not doing that full time, so I don't expect you guys to know everything. But shout out to everybody that's here that's willing to learn, and that's what I'm here for, guys. I'm here to help you guys out. So let's see if I see any questions here. Eric said 1 million Bitcoin in 1 month. That's funny. Hi Ben. Let me see if I see anything. Opinion on what is that? Tyranio token. I never heard of that. Is it on TradingView? It's not even on TradingView right now. Let me see if I'm typing it in right. I don't see it on TradingView. It's probably on CoinMarketCap. This is one of those well, looking at the chart, it looks like it's trying to pop. All right, and most likely, if we see more highs, we're going to go up. Okay, now how far I can't really tell by this chart. I wish I could see this in TradingView, but it looks like it's trying to at least break resistance over here. Okay. Let me see here. Yeah, guys, hit the likes, hit those like buttons, and hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. Sean said, again, J Nug 300. Okay, that's what's up, man. Going long is for the bulls. Going long is for the bulls. Going short is for the bears. Going for the news is for the birds. I hear that, bro. You said, what's the take on the BS with Binance? The thing with Binance, guys, at the same time, you have to understand, that's how these guys at the top control everything. Okay, they control it by not letting you have access to the exchanges. Okay, That's how they, get you guys. Now, there's ways around if you need to use Binance, okay, but that's if you want it, if you want to go that route. But at the end of the day, it's you can't do anything about that. Okay, but Binance looks good. Looks like it's want to pop up. But United States, man, always trying to regulate things, and they don't want us to have, because I think what's going on is Binance is actually going to have leverage, okay, and trade with leverage and all that stuff. So, the U.S. they don't want that. Let me read these questions here. U.S. regulations has a far reach. Yeah, man, they definitely have far reach. Do you see any stock market crash coming? No, not right now, bro. Anthony Morris, no, not right now. What happened to Jay Concert? Okay. Let me see here. Do you see any? Hey Ben, just here. Do you go on? You said, do you go on at the same time daily? Not necessarily. I try to either come on around, I don't know, 7:30. Is around 7 o'clock, 7:30, or 8 o'clock, around that time. So we are talking about this right here. Analyst says Bitcoin could hit 62K this year based on technical signals. All right. And basically, they got this picture up right here. And looks like they have some projection where it looks like it's going to hit 62K. What's my take on that? Well, my take on that is we don't know. No one knows it's going to hit 62K. You can guess all you want to. All right? And all I could say is, guys, for the new guys, please do not look at the news and make your decision based on that, because I see a lot of people say, "Hey, man, I read on the news that this is going to happen and blah blah this, and they look at it like it's gold." Like, guys, it's just another person that's giving his opinion or her opinion on the market. Okay? These guys can't tell you to, or they don't know the future. All right. So I don't want you guys to look at news and look at guys or anybody that's saying we're going to reach this number at the end of this year. And look at it and say, man, you know what? I think we can do that. I'm going to go all in. I don't want you guys to behave that way, guys. All right? Because I know some of you guys are going all in right now. And you're probably dumping, every week you're probably dumping all your paycheck into the crypto market. And what I would say is, I would basically try to give you guys some help and tell you, hey, chill out, man. Chill out. So that's my view on that. No one knows how far we're gonna go. Me personally, we we've been up we've been going up a lot. Okay, so you have to expect some type of pullback. Okay, some type of pullback. So let's see if I see any questions here. What's going on, Dan? So we take profit on our trades. Where do smart people invest their profit, Ben? So you're asking me, take profits. Where do smart people invest their profit, Ben? You can invest it back into the markets. Okay, invest it right back into the markets. Look for other trades, other high quality trades to build up your account. Or you can, of course, if you're not talking about the market, you're talking about outside the market. I mean, of course, real estate is pretty good, right? But that's all depending on how much capital you have. Real estate requires a lot of capital, depending on how much you have to put down. So let me see here. The news is, what's going on, David? The news is for the sheep that want you to. Yeah, man. Yep. The way I look at the news is I usually look at it and think the opposite. You're right, David. Could you turn 100K into 1 million? Why not? Why not? 100K in the markets is a lot of money. I just showed you guys before what you can do with 1K. Trading in futures market with 1K, I showed you guys what you can do with 1K. Okay. Now, I tried this out before. Let me see if I can do this again. I know the guys that had that live outside the U.S. I think they had problems trying to call in. So we're gonna try this again. If you guys want to try to call in, here's a number. Okay, I'm using the Google Hangouts, and if you want to call in, you can call in. And if you guys know any service, free service where you can actually, I can have international calls, let me know. Also, guys, if you are interested in learning how to read the charts, learning everything about the charts, learning how I'm able to do this full time, check out the new course that I have for you guys, the new crypto course, Crypto Profit Grabber 3.0. Okay, and this course is about showing you how to not force trades and just be disciplined and become a professional, right? And it's more a mentor course where I'm mentoring you guys. We are going for 1 month straight for free. I'm going to meet up with you guys on a private live stream once a week. And we are going to look at the live market, crypto market, and we're going to discuss trades, discuss how to become a professional, how to do this full time, Q&A, whatever question you have, I will answer your questions. We did it last week. It was a nice live stream, private live stream. I gave these guys my thoughts on the market, how I felt about Bitcoin and where it's headed in short, where I could believe that we are going short term and much more. So I gave them 5 potential trades, okay, 5 trade signals that all 5 trade signals was on the money. Okay, so if any of those guys took those trades, they already paid for their costs. One of them was XRP. So XRP is actually before the course. I said that XRP looks like a good buy right now, and it shot up. So right now I'm just looking for more gains to the upside. If you guys want to learn how I'm able to do this from home, if you're tired of your 9 to 5, you're tired of everything, come check this out, because most of you guys that are hodling, what you guys don't realize is you can make more money by reading the charts, because you can have 2 strategies on the side. Okay, you can have a holding strategy, and you can have a swing trading strategy where you can actually generate that monthly income coming in. Okay, and most of you guys don't even have that. Most of you guys are still stuck in your positions, and your positions are not paying you. You're just waiting. Imagine drawing out money, okay, and you just paying yourself either every week, every 2 weeks, or every month from the markets. Most of you guys don't have that, and this is what I'm trying to teach you guys. So if you want to learn more about that, that's that link. Actually, during the live stream, I give you guys that live stream discount. So let me do that right now. Only during the live stream you will get this discount right here. The regular price is $249. I give it to you guys for $199. So here's the live stream discount. Go to that link right here, and if you have any questions, let me know. All right, what's going on, Crypto Inspo? Shout out to you, bro. Green Thumb said finally caught that live stream. You've been catching those replays, man. Shout out to you, bro. Let me see if I see any questions here. Bitcoin looks like it wants to pop up and most likely make a new high. It's taking out those shorters. And also, I forgot to mention that this new course right here actually comes with a new indicator, okay, that will help you guys not force trades, and it will help you understand how to combine price action with the indicator. All right. Let me show you how. Well, let me look at some new questions. David said, "How was your Father's Day?" It was pretty good, man. How was your Father's Day, bro? Like I said, I had some steak. I had some steak and some seafood, mac and cheese. I picked out, man. I picked out. What I'm gathering from you, Ben, is don't worry about people's projections on Bitcoin with these figures like 62K. Instead, focus on the current trend. Day trade based on your projections for today's. Yes. Ding, 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 ding. Shout out to you, bro. Ding, 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 ding. Someone's calling me right now, I believe. 814. Let's see who's going on. 814. Hello, can you hear me?
Hey, Ben.
Hey, what's going on? Who's this?
Hey, this is Travis from your Discord.
Hey, what's going on, Travis?
Hey, how are you?
All right. How you doing, bro?
Oh, not too bad.
Okay.
Figured I'd call in and give this a shot.
Yeah, man, because I don't know if the out of town guys could call in, but I know the people that's in the States can call in. I know you in the United States, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. So what's going on, man? Let people know how you enjoying the courses, and because you have my crypto course and you also have the day trading course. So let people know how you how you like the course so far.
Sure. All I can say is, well, I'll just give you a quick background of how I started, which was last April. I heard of cryptocurrency, and of course got on Coinbase and started buying stuff.
Okay.
And then, with no idea what to do. And then I found, started looking on YouTube everywhere and to find out a little bit more. Then I ran across you, long story short, and everything changed. With the crypto course, I got the crypto course and started making some money. And pretty soon, I wanted to advance a little bit more, and you came out with the advanced day trading course, which evolved into not only just day trading, but using those techniques for swing trading and so much more. And I mean, I've been making money, me and everybody else on there.
Yeah.
We're making good money, and basically, it turned me from what would you say, a completely novice trader into somebody that can actually make some money at this stuff.
Yes, that's good. So
life
because
has changed.
I definitely saw the charts that you have been posting on Discord, and I noticed that you have been taking advantage of the swing trading too, and I'm glad because you can use these techniques and strategies for swing trading too. And this is why I'm trying to help these guys in the crypto world that wants to swing trade. I'm trying to let them know you can hold whatever, that's pretty good, but you can also take advantage of these short-term swings. All right. So that's what I'm trying to show people. And I'm glad that you actually, taking advantage of those, the swing trading part too. So,
sure.
Yeah, man.
Great opportunities there. I mean, lots of money to be had.
It looks like another person's calling me. I'm on the other line. So,
that's all right. I'll let you go, Ben. I'll hit you back up on Discord.
Yeah,
all right?
It's all right. Yeah. So, how long you been following me?
Oh my goodness. Well, before your first live stream.
Hold on. Let me see if I can cancel this call real quick.
Yeah, no problem.
All right, go ahead. Now, say it again.
Well, I don't know. I started last April, I guess.
Last
the
April.
First time I bought
Okay.
Yeah, any crypto.
Did you
right about then?
When you got into crypto, you didn't buy at the top, right?
No. It was. I don't even know what. Bitcoin might have been at that time maybe around 9,000 or 10,000.
Okay. And did you lose money on that, or did you break even, or what?
Oh, it's hard to say.
Yeah.
I mean, it was such a hodgepodge of buys that I actually made money for a little bit.
Okay.
Not knowing anything of what I was doing.
Exactly.
And but yeah, then it was the swings, the bigger swings. I'd make some money and then it would be gone.
Okay.
So,
Yeah. No. See, that's what most people that's what happened to most people last year. They actually either made money, but they gave it back when the market started to crash.
Yep.
Yeah, and then that's what a lot of people decided to say, you know what? Let me see if reading the charts can actually help me. And that's what that's why I think I got a lot of people from that.
Oh yeah, I mean you have to have some sort of structure to do this. You can't guess. And you can't just assume that it was nothing but, whenever I started, it was nothing but reading the popular news or whatever. That's what you went with.
Exactly.
And so it that's just the way it was.
Yeah.
And it took how much time that me and a lot of these other guys put into this. I mean, you have to.
You have to.
If you want to actually make money at these things, you got to put the time in.
Exactly.
And it's a lifestyle. You want this to be your job, then make it your job.
That's true. Definitely, that's true. So, Travis, thanks a lot for calling in. Good to hear your voice for the first time.
Yeah,
I appreciate
you too, man.
I would definitely see you in the Discord, and I'll talk to you later, bro.
All right, guys. We'll see you.
All right, man. Take care. All right, that was Travis for the first time. Someone else was trying to call in too. I think it was 214 or something like that. If that person is still around, let me see. 214. Let me see. Hello.
Hello?
Hey, who is 214? Who I'm
This
talking to?
is Green Thumbs.
Green Thunder. Oh, what's going on, bro?
Hey, peace, Ben, peace, everybody.
Yeah, man.
Uh, I just wanted to say thank you, bro. I'm 25,
Okay.
and for me, learning, I hopped in the crypto space at the end of December in
Mm-hmm.
2017. So, I saw it basically come down
Yeah.
from its high. And right now I'm not even trading.
Uh
I'm
huh.
just really trying to save up to my account, maybe get like 1,000 or something, so I
Okay.
can really hit it.
Yeah.
But I just wanted to say thank you, bro, because I was trading before that,
Mm-hmm.
and I was making a lot of mistakes. It didn't make sense to me. I was looking at the chart, I was trying to get it, but it just wasn't making sense.
Yeah.
A
Yeah.
lot of these guys on YouTube was
Mm-hmm.
making it complicated. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I
So
feel you.
I
I hear you.
started trading. I think I had $200.
Uh huh.
I turned it into like 300,
Nice.
and then I
Nice.
took the money out for something I needed. So I ain't been trading,
Oh, okay. Okay. I
but
hear you.
I'm just trying to build my account, man, because this is what I want to do for a living.
Yeah, that's
So
good, man. That's good, man. Because actually, how long you been in crypto?
I got in
Mm-hmm.
at the end of 2017, but
Oh
I actually
man.
just started trading.
Okay.
I just started trading it honestly like at the beginning of this year.
Oh, okay.
That's when I actually started like
Started looking
really
into trading,
looking
right?
at the chart.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
That's good. And you've been following me since the beginning too? The beginning of the year?
Uh,
Oh, since
a
last
little
year.
bit before,
Okay.
maybe like October,
Okay. Cool. Cool.
2018.
That's good, man. That's good. And
Yeah, man.
what got you into trading? Was it because the market was crashing, uh, or
Well,
what it was?
well, for me,
Mm-hmm.
my dad was a numbers man. He
Okay.
was like he was heavy into that. That was
Yeah.
like his thing. So
Exactly.
I always thought it was something that he would be good at. I actually had thought he would have been good at
Yeah.
trading. And I figured since
Okay.
I'm his son, I could do it too.
Yeah. Exactly.
So
Right.
and it made most sense for me.
Uh-huh.
I don't want to be working for people, man.
Mm-hmm.
My last job, they pay me $12.50 an hour. You
Yeah.
know what I'm saying?
Exactly. Exactly.
The treatment ain't worth it, man.
Mm-hmm.
I know how much I'm worth, so
Yeah. I know. I
and
know.
I was taught to be an entrepreneur, make my own money and stuff
Exactly.
anyway.
Exactly.
So
Exactly.
it just makes the most sense for me personally. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah.
a big thank you, bro,
Yeah.
for
No
real.
problem,
'Cause
man. No problem. So
I know what I'm gonna do with my life for money. You know what
yeah.
I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like I know now.
Yeah,
So
exactly, exactly. This keep practicing. Look at the charts. Whatever mistakes, because I'm you. Of course, you're gonna make mistakes. Just make sure that you know that you're making mistakes and improve, and just keep at it. Repeat the process.
yeah.
Um,
And it's crazy, man, because I'm doing it. People see I'm doing it,
mhm.
and they like, oh man, you messing with that crypto, or they kind of talk it down. You know what I'm saying? And I'm just like, I'm showing the people from the Discord, like, man, look at this guy, he
Yeah,
did, this guy, he did this, he did
yeah,
that, but they ain't gonna know until
yeah.
I show them.
No, are you in the Discord room? The crypto Discord room?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay, cool,
Yeah,
cool.
I bought the crypto profit grab the swing
Yeah,
trading course. I
yeah,
want to
nice.
get the day trading course too, but
Yeah,
I'm gonna get it.
yeah,
Just
alright.
taking my time.
Yeah. You know what? Let me see. You got my email address?
Yeah.
Yeah. Email me after the show. I want to talk to you about something.
Okay.
All right. But yeah, that's good, man. Just keep at it and keep studying, man. I have a lot of students that never traded, and all of a sudden, especially in the day trading, all of a sudden these guys are making money daily. And but don't listen to the haters. Of course, you're gonna have even family. Like you're gonna have family members telling you, "Hey, man, you're wasting your
It's
time."
mostly family.
Yeah, you're wasting your time. And you know why? Because these guys, most of our parents are brainwashed because
Yeah.
all they know is go to college, go to school. That's all they know. Okay,
Right.
they didn't have the internet, when they was growing up, so automatically, especially if you trading, they gonna think that's gambling. Okay, so
Yeah, that's what they
yeah,
told me. It's like, man, you just
yeah,
gambling. Cause
yeah,
I
exactly.
remember I asked for a few dollars, to trade,
Okay,
and
okay,
he was like,
yeah.
ah.
So it's all
So
good
my
though.
my best advice would tell you is just keep it to yourself, because I'm telling you, man, the more you talk about it, the more they're going to talk down about it. So just keep it to yourself. Maybe you got some couple of friends you can talk about it, but trust me, your family's not gonna understand until you start making money. All right.
Yeah,
All right, man.
yeah.
Thanks a lot for calling up, though, man. Appreciate it.
Likewise, thanks for opening up the
Yeah,
platform.
no problem, man. Take care.
All right,
All
peace
right.
you too.
All right, guys. So we're gonna wrap the show up. It's about to hit 40 minutes. I appreciate all my callers today. Again, if you don't have that crypto course, okay, this is the live stream price. So when I get off live stream a half an hour, I'm gonna raise it back to the regular price. If you guys have any questions, you can email me. All right. Let me see if I see one more question before I get out of here. Let me see here. Dom said I want to listen to you. Dom is crazy, bro. Oh man. All right, so let me get out of here. Everybody telling them to call in. Robert, what's going on, bro? Corey says 62 is possible this year. Well, basically, what I said about that is we don't know. Okay, I'm taking things day by day, week by week. No one knows, you know. Sean, Ben, can you talk about a little about entry points, specifically when stocks has moved up 3%? What are your key looks? Right now, I'm about to end the show. Okay. Do you have my course yet? Because I have a private live stream where I talk about a lot of stuff. So come, check that out. I'm about to get out of here though. Let me see if I see any more. What's going on? And yes, guys, hit those likes before you leave. Hit those likes before you leave. How many years have you been profitable? You talking to me? Info Planet. Info Planet. The best thing to do is click on my videos, look at my live trading videos, and you go from there. All right. I've been doing this for 12 years. I don't remember the last time I had a job. um, I had me personally 8 years. I've been losing money straight for 8 years straight, but it all turned. So going on 4 years. Anyway, talk to you guys later. Make sure you guys have a great day. Make sure you study, um, improve, practice, study, and take your game to the next level. Talk to you guys later and have a great day.